Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to use Monday.com CRM step by step so you can manage your customers, sales, and projects in a simple and organized way. When you first open Monday.com, you'll land on your main workspace. This is where everything starts. Monday uses boards to organize data, and in CRM, each board represents things like leads, contacts, deals, or pipelines. Think of it like a digital spreadsheet, but much more powerful and visual. Now, the first step is creating a CRM board. You can either use a ready-made CRM template or build your own from scratch. Once your board is created, you'll see columns like name, status, owner, and timeline. These columns help you track every detail of your customer journey. Next is adding leads. A lead is a potential customer. You can add a new lead by clicking the Add button and filling in details like name, email, company, and phone number. You can also assign each lead to a team member so responsibilities are clear. After that, you can move leads through different stages. For example, new lead, contacted, negotiation, and won or lost. This is called a pipeline view, and it helps you visually track where each deal stands in your sales process. One powerful feature in Monday.com CRM is automation. You can set rules like when a lead status changes to contacted, automatically notify a team member or send an email. This saves time and reduces manual work. Now, let's talk about communication. Monday allows you to connect emails directly, so you can send and receive messages without leaving the platform. All communication gets stored inside the lead or contact profile, making it easy to track conversations. Another important feature is dashboards. Dashboards give you a visual overview of your sales performance. You can see charts for revenue, number of leads, and conversion rates. This helps you understand what is working and what needs improvement. You can also integrate Monday.com with other tools like Gmail, Outlook, Zoom, and Slack. This makes your workflow smoother because everything is connected in one place. Permissions are also important. You can control who can view or edit certain boards. This is useful for teams because it keeps sensitive data secure while allowing collaboration. Finally, Monday.com CRM is cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere, whether you're using a computer or mobile app. This makes it perfect for remote teams and businesses that are always on the move. By using boards, automation, and dashboards together, you can manage your entire customer system in a clean and efficient way. With regular use, Monday.com CRM becomes a powerful tool for growing your business and staying organized. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.